Alright, we've got a Surface Studio. This is Surface Studio number 2. So beautiful, massive screen, probably made by Samsung again. And press the power button and... oh, okay. Yeah, this definitely has some sort of a screen damage. There's a line there as well. Touch works everywhere. How about no, because it happens even at the point of turning on. Yeah, let's try 800 by 600. Yeah, so this will definitely be considered some sort of a physical... it looks like a burn. There we can see previous image there a little bit. Yeah, it's actually got a burn in. Never thought this will have a burn in. Yeah. See, there you can see the 2 user login faintly. 1, 2. Yeah, interesting. Alright, we'll give them a quote for replacement if you can get parts, otherwise that's the end of this guy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.